Hello everybody, welcome again to the ETABS and SAFE course. Now in this lecture we want to define the wind load. We go to the PowerPoint, we show that wind speed in Lebanon equal VK equal to 33 meter per second. ETABS needs velocity and mile per hour. And also there is a conditions when we need to define the wind load. If when L1 and L2 below 10 meter, L1 represent the length of the plane and the x direction, and L2 represent the length of the plane and the y direction. If when L1 and L2 below 10 meter, V equal Vk. If L1 or L2 between 10 meter and 20 meter, V equal Vk over 1.35. If L1 and L2 above 20 meter, V equal Vk over 1.45. And our project, we are in this case because L1 and L2 are above 20 meter. So if we have 33 meter per second, because we are in Lebanon, we divide it by 1.45, and because ETABS need velocity and mile per hour, we will convert it. To convert this velocity to mile per hour, we multiply it by 2.236. So the velocity equal approximate 51 mile per hour. To define the velocity wind, we go to define load pattern. We name it wind load. The type of the wind load is wind, and the same code UBC 97. We press add a new load and modify it. We just put the wind speed equal to 51 mile per hour, and wind speed is from story 1 to story 16. Began from story 1 to story 16. So we can press here OK and OK. Thank you for listening, and we will continue